Planting succulents and cacti in a drought-tolerant yard. Succulents and cacti are a natural choice for dry climate gardening. They offer year-round interest if you live in a warm zone, and are low maintenance too. One of the strategies that works particularly well for drought-tolerant front yard ideas is to intersperse succulent and cacti among fast-growing ground cover plants and shrubs, with each type of plant enhancing the other. There is a lovely texture contrast when succulents' unique shapes are viewed with the softer forms of leafy plants or ornamental grasses, says horticulturalist and author Noelle Johnson. Boulders are also the ideal partner for cacti and other succulents. These water-saving plants are an extremely versatile plant from a design standpoint. You can use them for contemporary gardens with straight lines and rows, but they work equally well in a more natural arrangement. Cacti and other succulents don't need frequent watering because their leaves and stems are adapted to store water. Use them as an easy option as part of your drought-tolerant landscaping.